Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to deploy a VPS on IONOS. Deploying a VPS isn't just clicking buy, you're essentially setting up your own virtual server. That means you're responsible for how it runs, what it hosts, and how secure it is. A VPS is not beginner-level shared hosting. You get more control but also more responsibility. First, go to your account and sign in. From your dashboard, click Hosting. Then click VPS Hosting. This is where you access scalable server infrastructure. You'll see different VPS options. Plans differ in RAM, CPU power, storage, and performance. Choose your plan and click Add to Cart. Start small and upgrade later if needed. Then select duration: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. Longer terms means cheaper monthly cost, but higher upfront payment. Next, pick a data center location. Closer server means a faster website for your users. Choose location near your target audience. Then choose an OS, such as Ubuntu, Rocky 9, Debian 12, and Alma 9. Your OS determines everything. Finally, you can choose a backup and recovery option. Select from the drop-down. This matters because backups protect your data. Then proceed to the next step by clicking on Next. Then review the shopping cart and finalize your order. Once purchased, your VPS appears in your dashboard. IONOS will provision your server and install your selected OS. Your VPS is now live. You'll get an IP address and login credentials. You selected the VPS plan, configured server specs, chose OS and location, completed purchase, and deployed your server. You now have a working virtual server. To summarize, deploying a VPS on IONOS involves logging in, selecting VPS hosting, choosing a plan, configuring billing, location, OS, and backups, completing the purchase, and letting IONOS deploy the server for you. After deployment, you're responsible for setting it up. And that's how to deploy a VPS on IONOS. This is where things move from beginner to intermediate. You now have full control, which is powerful, but also easy to mess up if you don't know what you're doing. So don't rush, set it up step by step. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.